Hello, welcome to screencast of CA682 visualization assignment. I've done my assignment on COVID-19 dataset and my intention is to visualize it, how it evolved from time to time. I collected my dataset in a CSV format which is freely available in a GitHub repository. It has been updated on a daily basis by referring to WHO and other health ministry departments of the respective countries. For this visualization, I've used Plotly package, which is similar to Seaborns in creating interactive graphs. Initially, I just imported the necessary package and I read the CSV file. As a part of my cleaning process, I first started by renaming the column, by renaming province or state to a state and country or region to a country, which includes a multiple name. So I just made it to a single name. Then I corrected the country name. I just suspected that there might be an issue with the country name. So I just fetched the country column and I found that there were 5 of the country names were incorrect. So I just corrected them by using LOC method by referring to a particular label. Then there were few nan values in the state column. So I just handled the nan values by replacing them with a blank string by using a replace method. And I wanted to have a continent column for the respective country. So I did some research. Then I found out that Python got an inbuilt library called PyCountryConvert to do this job. And in this function, what I did in this package, what I did is I just passed the country code as the parameter for the continent function. Then I added a new column called continent, and continents were updated to their respective countries. And next, I wanted to have an active case details as well, but it wasn't there in the existing data set. So what I did is I just subtracted the death case and recovery case with a confirmed case so that the active case got calculated and the active case column was inserted in all of the 4 data sets. Part of my data exploration, I want to visualize all 4 stats from time to time by keeping dates in x-axis and increase in the cases in the y-axis. I use line graph, which is suitable to get the details over a certain period of time. Secondly, I wanted to have a single layout in order to plot all 4 stats. Basically, what I did is I just plotted the line graph first, then I updated the inner layout by creating the buttons for the 4 different stats, and then I updated the outer layout, which is basically specified for specifying the title, x-axis title, and y-axis title, and so on. This is how the layout looks, which has 4 different buttons of 4 different stats. Confirm case will give the confirm case details, and if you hover across the line, we'll get the details from January to till date. And similarly for active case, recovered case, and death case as well. And the color choice is not my own intention of having the particular color, but I've just followed the color combination used in Worldometer. Visualize and compare between compared case and death case for time to time for the top 10 countries, in confirmed case in x-axis and death case in y-axis. Firstly, what I did is I just sorted out in descending order the confirmed case and the death case. Then I looped them for 10 times so that I'll get the top 10 countries. And then I updated the data frame scatterfig and I supplied the data frame to the scatter. And then I plotted out the scatter plot. In order to have it from time to time, there are attributes like animation frames and animation group I used against the date and country so that I will get the bubble sort differentiation from time to time. So when I start the graph, you can see over this slider till March, there is no impact, but after March, you can see that there is an impact in United States, which outbursts suddenly, and behind that is Brazil. And once it reaches near September, you can see that India crosses the Brazil, and at the end of December, USA was out of limit. My scatter plot for the top 10 countries, how it evolved over a certain period of time. And to conclude, the cleaning process were very smooth. Um, I understood the country convert package of continent to a respective country using the country code and converting the continent code to a continent name. In my first visualization, the challenge was to add a layout. A few of the online resources helped me in understanding how to do that, and probably it can be even more innovative. In the second graph, I felt it was pretty good from my side, and for loop logic took bit time to understand and everything. But maybe in future we can also increase to see the scatter plot for even more number of countries, or you can even plot for a continent. Thanks for watching.